milk. So it is a changes texture, taste, and here is a flavor is improved. Okay, see this line. Next we have to see the what is basic process is there. Basic process. What process is there? First one is a we are calling the pasteurization. Pasteurization means removing of the unwanted microbes or destroy the unwanted microbes. See, destroy the unwanted microbes. Okay. Next we have to see the second process. What will happen if a microbes is present in that milk? Milk will be spoiled. The product will be spoiled. That's why we have to removing the unwanted microbes. Next we have to see the fermentation process. See, in the fermentation process, see, to destroy the what's it? See, lactose sugar to lactic acid. Here converting into the lactose sugar to lactic acid. Lactose sugar to lactic acid. See, it will be converted into lactose sugar to lactic acid, and the milk proteins is a coagulation, and milk protein is coagulation. See, coagulation. Okay, this is about the, it is a dairy product and compound with taste and flavor. These compounds with taste and flavor. See, added to the which one here? So it is a diacetyl due to the better flavors. Diacetyl due to flavor. Okay, this line we have to see the water content and acidity changes, texture, taste, flavor is improved. Basic process is there, two process. Pasteurization means destroy the unwanted microbes. Fermentation means lactose sugar converted into lactic acid, and milk protein is a coagulation. And here is a compounds with the taste flavor. See, what adding to this one? See, diacetyl due to the better flavors. See, this is about the dairy product. Next we have to see the second one. Second one is a yogurt. See, this is the second one. Yogurt product. See, this is product. What's it here? Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is a helping to the formation, helping to the formation. Next we have to see the industrial production of the egg hot industrial production of yogurt. See, what is the important industrial? See, condensed milk powder. Here is a condensed milk powder. Condense the milk powder. See, maintaining the protein. See, here is a maintaining the proteins. Maintaining the proteins. What's it? Here is the industrial production of the egg yogurt. So, it is a condense the milk powder and maintaining the proteins here inside. And what said here? Here also, first we have to boil the milk. Milk is a boiling. After we have to cool the milk. And it is a streptococcus and thermophilus and lactobacillus and delibrici. See, it is a, we have to add to the 1:1. It will be converted into lactic acids. So it is a, first we have to milk. We have to take the milk. Milk first we have to boil the milk and we have to cool this milk. Cool the milk. After cooling, we have to add the streptococcus what's it? Thermophilus. Plus adding to the lactobacillus delbricyl. What's it? Delbricyl. We have to add to the 1:1. See, these we have to add to the 1:1. See, these both are. See, we have to take the first boiled milk. The boiled milk cool, and after cooling, we have to add to the streptococcus, thermophilus, and lactobacillus delibirically. It is a 1:1, and we have to. It will be converted into lactic acid. It will be converted into lactic acid. See, we have to write this like it is converted into lactic acid. Next, we have to see the here. See, dense consistency. And here is a forming the streptococcus protein to gel. Streptococcus protein to gel. What said here is a dense consistency. And what said streptococcus protein to gel. Gel-like is a forming. Which one? This one. Gel-like is a forming on the surface. And what said this one? See, test. Now we have to test this one. and lactobacillus acetaldehyde. See this test, lactobacillus will be converted into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a forming, and here is a acetaldehyde is a forming. Okay, next we have to see the after is a flavor. We have to add to the flavor also. Flavors. Okay, flavors is there, and it is a adding to the fruit juice. Next here is a, we have to, for example, banana yogurt, strawberry yogurt we are preparing. See example, banana yogurt and strawberry yogurt. See this like we are preparing. Next, pasteurization, shelf life and probiotic and properties improve. See this like is forming the this one. See first we have to take the yogurt product. See we have to add to the lactobacillus bacteria and industrial production of the yogurt. So it is a condensed milk powder. We have to take the condensed milk powder, it will be formed. It is a maintaining the proteins. We have to maintain the proteins in that product. See, we have to take the milk, boil and cool, add to the Streptococcus thermophilus and lactobacillus deliberately. See 1:1 and it will form the lactic acid. After it is a dense consistency we have to take, and it will become form the gel-like substances on the surface. And taste, see it is a lactobacillus, it will be converted into acetaldehyde. See we have to add to the flavors. Flavors also adding. It is a fruit juices like banana yogurt, strawberry yogurt. It is a number of this like adding. Next it is a finally we are getting the pasteurization and shelf life and probiotic properties improve. It will be improving the probiotic properties also. Next, third one is there. What is that one? It is a butter is two forms. Butter is preparing. Butter. It is a two forms. One is a say sweet cream. Another one is a cultured. One is a sweet cream. It is a two forms. One is a sweet cream and another one is a culture. So it is a culture. See we have to see the sweet creams. What sweet creams is there? Okay, so it is a sweet creams malai and milk. It is a malai and milk. See we have to see the we are boiling the this milk in a bowl. What will happen? Okay, so it is a boiling. Boiling the milk. Here is a see what will happen? So it is a present in the milk is a cholesterol. See upper surface. See here upper surface is forming the which layer? This like layer is forming this like layer for we are calling the cream. जो दूध के ऊपर जो लेयर फॉर्म होता है, थिक लेयर फॉर्म होता है, उसको अपन स्वीट क्रीम बोलते हैं. सी स्वीट क्रीम. और नीचे जो रहता है मिल्क रहता है. See this line. If a boiling, see you have to see the while sipping the milk or tea, it will be layer is a forming upper surface. We are calling that is a cream. That is a sweet cream. See it is a here is a more fat is there. Fat is deposit. Here is a fat is there. Fat. Okay. Next we have to see the cultured butter. It is a we have to see the packing. So it is a using for commercial. It is a Amol milk. So it is a commercial for it is a using Amol milk. So it is a sweet creams and see this like forming. It is a two and cheese production. Next one is a fourth one. Cheese production is there. Cheese production. Okay, here cheese production is a first one is a cow milk. First one cow milk. We have to take the cow milk and lactobacillus lactis. Add to the lactobacillus lactis. And we have to see the lactobacillus cremoris. Next streptococcus thermophilus. And it will form the important source to the milk. See decreases. See what said it is a import sources of milk decreases. Okay. Next we have to see the so it is a in the cow milk lactobacillus lactis, lactobacillus cremoris, streptococcus and thermophilus. It import the source of milk decreases. Next we have to see the dense texture. See here is a dense texture also is there to remove the water in ingot. To remove the means it is a water in ingot. So it is a removing from the water from this product and we are calling this is a whey. Okay. Next we have to see add to the enzymes. Enzymes also add to the enzymes. Which enzymes is adding here? Okay. So it is a One subattach is added to the rennet. Rennet. See here, rennet. Here is a earlier. Earlier is a adding to the this type. Earlier is a adding to the rennet enzymes. Now we want to see the here is a adding to the alimentary canal of cattle's. Elementary canal of cattle's. See, a elementary canal से वो चीज प्रोडक्शन करते थे कैटल से, एलिमेंटरी कैनल. और सी प्रोटीएज, सी nowadays is a protease means nowadays. Next we have to see the fungi and vegetarian cheese. See, next vegetarian cheese. See, this like preparing. See, dense texture to remove of weight, means it is a removing of the water. Add to the enzymes. Enzymes is a adding this one, and it is a rennet. Earlier is a added. Next elementary canal, it is from cattle, and it is a protease nowadays. Next fungi is a vegetarian cheese. Vegetarian cheese. See, next we have to see the next process is the cut the solid egg into pieces. We have to cut the small pieces. Small pieces. Next we have to learn the third one, cut the solid egg pieces. With solidification, now we have to take the cut into the pieces. First we have to washing. Washing is there. Rubbing is there. Next we have to see the salting. Add to the, it is a mixing essential microbes. Mixing essential microbes. Next we have to see the pigments. Pigments also adding. Flavors is adding. Pigments and flavors. Flavors is adding. Next we have to see the pressed and cut. It is after is a pressing and cutting and store for ripening. And store for ripening. See, this like this process is there. We have to see the first we have to wash what it is a solidified cheese. Next we have to rub. We have to add to the salting. Next mixing essential microbes is a required any microbes we have to mix. Next add to the pigment different see is a color is there na, we have to add to the pigment. Next we have to add to the flavors and press cut and store for ripening. Which flavor is it adding? Now we have to see the variety of cheese is there. Variety of cheese. Variety of cheese. See, different types of this cheese is there. See, mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. See, mozzarella cheese is there. See, this is adding to the flavors. Here is the adding. Next we have to see the French touch cheese. French cheese. Next we have to see the French touch cheese. It is added to this one. Next Gouda cheese. Gouda cheese. It is also added. Next is a goat cheese. Brine cheese. Goat cheese.